Hello everyone, myself Shweta Gelson. Today topics is tear and pasting. Today I am going to teach you how to make butterfly from tearing paper. For this we need plain A4 size sheet, pencil, scissor, a small piece of glitter, origami papers, any colors, Fevicol, and one piece of ice cream stick. Now we start making butterfly by tearing paper. Here is the first step. Take a A4 size plain sheet and half fold it equal sides, and this side is open. Now draw butterfly. And cut extra portion from the sheet with the help of scissor. Now take origami sheets. This is the pieces of origami. Take small piece here. Now take Fevicol and paste the small tiered pieces on the butterfly with small drops of Fevicol. Paste it. This side. Now take glitter sheet and draw spiral on it and cut it with the help of scissors like this. This is a spiral. And paste it on the front of butterfly in the center of your butterfly. Your butterfly is ready. Now take ice cream stick and paste it. Your butterfly is ready. Thank you.